we are going to be looking at the three main marketing objectives on Facebook. And as an entrepreneur, you definitely need to work with objectives. Why should you work with an objective? Someone might ask. You see, if you are in business and you don't know anything, like you don't have a benchmark, you don't have a vision, you don't have a clear cut route where you want to hit, what you want to achieve, then definitely all your marketing efforts are going to be in vain. That is why whatever you are doing, you need some amount of objectives to help you even measure your progress, measure how much you are making, or are you retrogressing? Is there anything you need to do? Is there something you need to change? So objectives are really important, and I'm going to share with you three objectives for Facebook. This may not be new, but definitely it's worth you watching and listening to understand it better and use it in your business. If this is the first time you meeting me, I'm Abokra Minatu, and I help entrepreneurs to 10 times their sales online. This I do to help them have a better life for themselves as well as their family. Now, with that said, if this is the first time you coming to my channel, be sure to click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you get notified of other trainings I do release to help you grow and scale your business. Okay, so the three main objectives on Facebook. There are three primary activities you engage in with your business on Facebook. This is important and you need to understand it as part of your overall Facebook marketing strategy. So now let's take them one after the other. As we take them again, I will go to my profile and show you in reality what I mean by that. So the first objective you should have is to grow your audience. The first is you want to build an audience. This is where you find and connect with your tribe. You see, why should you even be on Facebook? There are three main activities Facebook itself is looking up from us. One, to connect, two, to share, and three, to be entertained and be informed. And so, as an entrepreneur, you need some people to be able to market whatever you have to. So, you first need to dig deep and know, okay, which group of people, because if you come on Facebook, it's like an ocean. Every type of fish you are looking for, you can find it there. So if you don't know the type of fish you truly are looking for, then you are going to be the fisherman for all fish, and your net may not necessarily be able to hold all type of fishes. So you may be working and you are just letting go of a lot other things you could have achieved. So that is why you need to narrow down which people you want to do your business with. Now, as you know that, you need to connect with these people. You need to be adding up to the numbers. So, for example, let's go to my profile and I'll show you how you can do that. Let's come. I think I'm on my profile now. Yes, it's loading. Just a few minutes or some seconds, I'm sure will be on. And then good. So we are here. Here is my profile. Now, every day, how do you grow your audience? Currently, I have about, if you look here, I have about 2,552 friends. And so out of these people, it's not everybody that engages with my content every now and then. So within these people, every day I can be sending messages to revive conversations between us. Aside this, I can check other people on their profile and send them requests. Not just that, I can also look through my notifications and see which people are sending me requests. So we have someone here like this, Fidaus. Okay, Fidaus Salis, it has sent me a request. So what I will do is I will go to Fidaus' profile, check her out, see is she someone I think is good for my business or I want to have something to do with. If yes, then I will accept the request. So this is how I grow my audience. When I go through, you see, another stylist has also sent me a request. So I can go through another one, Abdul Razak. Okay, so it goes on. the list goes you, and I can check all the people that have sent me requests in a day. And this way, the more I add, the more my audience are growing. And aside people sending me requests, I can also send people requests. That way, I add when they accept, so my friend numbers are increasing. Those are the audience that we need to be growing every day. So you can set an objective for yourself. You want to grow your audience by 10 every day. It means every single day you can send 10 requests, or you can send 7, and then those people that are also sending you requests, you accept 3, meaning every single day you have 10 new fresh blood coming into your system. So this is how you grow your audience. Now let's go back and see what is the next point, or what is the next activity we need to do after we start growing our friends. The next thing we can do is to engage the audience. People are coming into your profile. You are reaching out to people. You just leave them like that. So the second is you will engage with your audience as your reach grows. Your audience will include those that you have targeted specifically, and those who have found you as a result of your exposure. So it's two different ways. Those that you are targeting, you are now going through, like I showed you. You go through people's profiles to see, okay, I think I like these people. Or you go to, if you are in affiliate marketing, you can check top affiliate groups, and the people there, you start to reach out to them by sharing value in the group and then sending requests to the people. That way you are targeting those people. Aside that, people will also be checking you out. They are also looking for people like you to connect with. So it's a two-way affair. You looking for people, and then people also looking for you. As they come, you engage with them. How do you do it? You can engage with people through simple Facebook Lives. So let's go back to my page or my profile, and I'll show you how I personally engage with my audience. So if you look at what I have here, I make posts. This post I just did about 3 hours ago, and it's sharing value on you are the most valuable asset. Your life, your potential, and your possibilities are the most precious things you have. So it's like some form of motivation, getting people to take action. This post is a simple greeting to my people, and then this is a quote with my image, and this is a story charging people to take show leadership. You see, if you do your business when you don't need it, your business will be there for you when you need it. So these are the things that you need to be sharing with your audience, and they will forever thank you. They will love you for it. Look at the things your audience want. What is this? What are their problems? What are their challenges? I know I am dealing with other entrepreneurs. I know they are looking for motivation. I know entrepreneurs are looking for techniques on how to get more leads and how to sell their products, how to become confident. So these are the things I share with them, because when I also started my business, I struggled. So if I am learning, I feel that I should share with people who equally are also looking for what I already have to offer. So these are the ways, not just images. I do also do videos. This is a YouTube video like I've done. So I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, because that's where you get notified of very, very powerful trainings I do release. Aside the YouTube videos, I also do a Facebook Live. So this is a Facebook Live. Who are you marketing to? So some people don't have of the people they know. Okay, this is my audience, or that is my audience. So how should I create my message to address my audience challenge? So follow. If you are actually not a friend of mine, you can check me out, Aminatu Abubakar, on Facebook, and send me a request. You can follow some of my trainings. I also have a group where I share a lot of training in the group for entrepreneurs who are looking to 10 times their sales online. So that is the second part. Now let's go back and take a look at the third part of the objective marketing objectives of Facebook. The third is that social response marketing. And third, you will invite your audience to consume value. I call this social response marketing. It is like direct response marketing in that you do have a clear call to action and that you do track and measure your efforts. Okay, today I have sent 5 friend requests. I have networked with 5 people. I'm trying to also prospect. There is a difference between networking and prospecting. With networking, you are just liking people's posts, you are commenting on people's posts, you are just sending friend requests. That is all. That is networking. But prospecting is you now begin to connect with the people and chat with them, look at where they are, what are their fears, what are their worries, what is it that they want to do. So it's like you establish a communication with your audience. And if you want to learn that, I think yesterday I did a video on form, how to connect, what to do with your audience after you send them requests. And if you want to watch that video, comment a video below this. I'll surely get in touch and give you the link or give you the direction on how to get that. So you follow up, you communicate with these people, take them through this some simple questions that is going to help you know how to pitch your offer. So that way, if you know that maybe my prospect right now is not ready for a business, but he or she might need a particular product I have, then you share that product rather. You don't talk about business opportunity. That is why those who are just sending their links, their company's logos into people's inboxes, they are not making money. Even if they are making it something small, simply because they don't want to do the painstaking activity. You need to connect with people. Once you are online to make money, connecting with people is the number one thing you can do. And so that is the third one. You do that and then you call them to action. Okay, I have a product I know will help you, or you can take a look at my business opportunity. Then you look at it. Okay, every week, now that I'm sharing with people my opportunity, how is it helping me? Am I getting sign ups? Am I getting sales? Am I getting recruits? Is it okay, or do I need to change my way of doing something? You have to just look at whatever it is that you are doing and then tweak it. This is where coaching is important. This is where masterminds are important. Don't just think that all the answers will come to you just like that. You need to reach out sometimes. You need to pay. You need to invest in yourself. Okay, so this is it for the 3 marketing objectives. The first I shared with you is that you should, the first marketing objective was for you to connect. Then, secondly, you need to also engage. Then, the third is that you need to now begin to sell to these people. Based on what they need, you share it with them. I am sure on the top left, right, top corner, and the right corner, there are other videos you can watch to help you even learn more on how to grow your business online. Aside that, again, do make sure you subscribe so that you get notified of other trainings that I do release every now and then to help you grow and scale your business. Until I catch you again on my next video, I hope you got value from this. If you did, comment value below this video. As well, if you know others that this video is going to help as well, do share it with them or tag them to the video, because sharing has always been caring. Until I catch you on my next video, as I said, it has been lovely and it's a bye-bye for now.